Hi, you're watching Infrared. This is our latest haunted doll that we've built for a customer. So this features REM and EMF. So the EMF is genuine K2 circuitry. So EMF on the chest, and then we've got the REM in the eyes. So if we just trigger the EMF, you'll see that the K2 deflects as expected. When we move the EM pump in and out. So if we move closer to the eyes of a doll, and when we get in proximity, you'll see that the eyes flash. Okay, please like and share, leave your comments, always grateful, negative or positive. If they are negative, then if you could obviously advise how you'd like to see us make an improvement, so we can offer our customers the best equipment. Okay, thank you very much, and if you're first time watching our channel, then please remember to subscribe so you can see all our future videos. Thank you.